Apple farming is a vital component of modern agriculture. This is a round, edible fruit produced by an apple tree, playing a crucial role in the production of apple fruits and contributing significantly to the overall food industry. However, in the Gambia, many are of the belief that apple trees cannot grow and produce fruits due to the weather condition. Thus, a young entrepreneur, Alaji Baro, an apple farmer at Bikama Kasakunda, discloses the secret behind apple trees. He says, despite the notion behind apple trees in the Gambia, he stands out to make difference and experience the reality.
We have the belief that Africa, we variably have almost a similar climatic condition. So what is doable in other regions that we feel that we are almost under the same time zone, like the same climatic, as I said, zone. We believe that if they can do, we will also give it a try to see that we set a pace for others to follow, that yes, we can do it. So instead of relying, we have that at least a good chunk of our apples consumed in the country, they are imported. So looking at it, if we have the resource, that's the land, and nothing is stopping you from not growing it there. Most of our trees we use in the Gambia, they are not indigenous trees here, they are all imported. So this one also, we want to break through for people to clear off from their mind that it cannot happen. When it goes through, others will come over, we can do a grafting for them. You come with an apple tree, or we do a grafting layer and portion for it, cut it off, nose it for you, and then you go also and replicate it somewhere. So anyway, we want to prove that yes, it can be happened, it can be done.
What amount does it cost you to grow
from
this
the inception, we have a budgeted amount, total of $5,000 was spent to get a stock of almost closer to 1,000 to 2,000 apple trees. So when they get it over, we lose some along the line, and we sold very few to other people that want to use it in backyard farming and try on them. Then we maintain like almost 250. So that's what keeps us here. So, but the amount involved is still considerably high if you look at it. $5,000 is not a small amount, but not looking at that aspect of monetary value attached to it. But when it goes through, we go online, talk to our mentor from that, and what can we do to replicate it so that no need for us to import again. We either have to use the seed, or we graft it to other trees where it is going to give us an apple fruits out, which is also on the pilot here. Also, I failed to tell you that we're trying to do a cross grafting of the apple tree to guava, where we expect apples to be harvested. We're trying to do that pilot also. When it goes through, guava is a common tree in the Gambia. You can come over, buy some branches here, cut it off, go and do the grafting. When it goes through, then it will give you apple fruits.
Research shows that more than 7,500 different varieties of apples are grown annually across the world. In the Gambia, there are two main types of apples, namely the green and the red varieties, which has a lot of health benefits. These include improves digestion, lower the risk of heart disease, help to control weight, improve brain function, reduces the risk of cancer, boost immune system, etc. Apples are said to be originated in Kazakhstan, in Central Asia east of the Caspian Sea. For Dynamic Gambia TV, this is our reporting.